Hello everyone, my name is Shriya and I'm from CSBS department. I'm happy to share that I've been placed at Sutherland with a 2.5 LPA and my job location is in Chennai. QSpiders played a vital role in shaping both my technical as well as my professional skills, making me industry ready. Their training sessions were well structured, so they covered all the essential topics for the placements, so it was very easy for me to attend the interview. And one of the most impactful aspects of the QSpiders training was their verbal communication, because it gave me the confidence to talk in front of the interviewer and help me secure this opportunity. The classes were also very practical, so it was helpful for me to connect the concept with the real-time scenario and gave a clear understanding of the topic. So, and the trainers were very supportive throughout the training sessions. So I would like to thank QSpiders.